The NEE Inspection Manager is a proprietary tool with VBA automation designed to improve measurement accuracy and data management at New England Electropolishing.
It's a tool we use to capture all data and use that to understand the removal process and how to control our process and variabilities. This system is developed from scratch. I have to understand what our process capabilities are and what we are trying to accomplish. We are an electropolishing company, and what we do is we remove material. We have to understand the nature of the product coming in and how much we remove after it's get electropolished. So once we understand the removal rate, we can adjust accordingly to meet the customer's standard or requirements. And to do that, we have to really understand the rapid rate in which it removes. So by having all these information, we can actually streamline our process and working with our operation manager to come up with a proper parameters that we can run at and test it and really give us some reliable feedback. You know, instead of having multiple testing, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work, the data just tells the story and just one quick adjustment and we make it all work for them. The method is really simple. It provides a lot of accuracy, and the tool itself has a capability to reject any inconsistency that could be an issue.
Available upon request, this innovative program eliminates manual record keeping, enhances data integrity, and simplifies training through a user-friendly interface.
The idea that I have coming into the company is how can we eliminate the manual process? With my background of programming and coming from lean manufacturing, efficiency is always the key to produce desirable results. And when I know that there is a lot of manual input, there's a lot of error can happen. So by incorporating the tool, I'm able to consolidate and capture all the data and use that and build statistic analysis report from it. Also can provide solution for customers who are looking for tight tolerances and how well we can control our process, and we have all that data to back us up.
Additionally, it provides real-time feedback to our customers in the event of any non-conformance from raw materials. This feature enables us to collaborate proactively with customers to prevent further processing of these materials.
Ultimately, it's just to help us be ahead of the game. Now we can introduce more reliable parameters, more reliable resource for our customer, and give them the peace of mind that we have full control of our process.